What is up, you guys? It is Isabella, your favorite rideshare hub host, and today I am sharing 7, okay, not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, but 7 secrets for Uber and Lyft drivers. Whether you're a full-time driver, a part-time driver, these are 7 secrets you need to know about. So if you want me to fill you in, be sure to keep watching. All right, so guys, we got secret number 1. You won't even believe me when I tell you this, but there's a way that you can get a free tablet to entertain your passengers in your car. And that is through Play Octopus, okay? If you sign up for Play Octopus with our link down below in the description, you will get a free tablet as an Uber or Lyft driver or any rideshare driver. Okay, the way this works is that you sign up, they send you a tablet, you hook it up in the backseat of your car, which is super easy, by the way, it takes like 2 seconds, and your passengers can play games on there, they can win prizes, they can do trivia, like it's really cool. And in turn, since they run ads on the tablet, they will actually send you money. Okay, you can get up to an extra $100 per month, and like, if you ask me, that's a pretty good deal considering the tablet is free. On top of that, it will increase your earnings, you guys. Like, your passengers are gonna think you really did the most for them, like having this tablet in your car for them to play games. It's gonna enhance their experience as a passenger, and you're most likely gonna get higher tips or like more tips. So definitely recommend. Again, we have a link down below in the description. Secret number 2. This is gonna be a weird one, guys, but let's say, you know, you're driving all day, you don't know where to use the bathroom, okay? You're out and about, like you're not anywhere near your house because you're gonna need to use the bathroom at some point, okay? You might think the easiest place to use the bathroom is gonna be like a gas station or like McDonald's or Starbucks. Like, yeah, you can use any of those, but I'm telling you guys, if you want a nice bathroom to use when you're on the job, go to a hotel lobby. Okay, go to a nice hotel lobby. Those bathrooms are way cleaner, they're way nicer, they're usually not busy, so you don't have the potential of like having to wait in a long line, because I know like at Starbucks there's usually a line for the bathroom because it's like a single stall bathroom. But you go to a hotel lobby, it's gonna be super nice, it's free, easy, best place to go to the bathroom when you're on the job if you're driving around and you can't find one. Secret number 3, you want to get this app called Solo. We have a link down below in the description. If you use our link and sign up, they will send you $10 for free. Like, you get a free $10. You can go buy yourself an iced coffee or whatever, like costs $10 these days. So what Solo is it basically does everything for you, like with like rideshare driving. So like, you need to track your expenses, they'll do that for you. Track your mileage, track your miles, they'll do that for you too. You get pay guaranteed, so you can actually make more money because they'll give you an estimate of how much you can make within an hour, and if you don't reach that estimate, they'll send you the difference. On top of that, they will help you track your income. So they do so many things for you, all within one app. Definitely recommend getting that. Again, link down below in the description. Okay guys, this is secret number 4, okay? This may be straightforward to some of you, but you'd be surprised how many Uber drivers just do not catch on to this, okay? I've been in so many Ubers where like the driver just was not, they just didn't get it. So basically what you want to do is you want to read the room, okay? This is very simple to do. Let's say you have a passenger come in and they initiate conversation with you, okay? It's probably a good idea for you to engage in conversation back. Like, let's say they're asking how your day is, they're asking you about like being an Uber driver or whatever, okay? There's a higher chance, like they're basically giving you an opportunity to have a really good conversation with them, and you know, maybe hear about their day, ask them questions, which could encourage them to want to give you a higher tip and a higher rating. Hey, there's been a lot of times where I had like really good conversations with the Uber driver. I genuinely like wanted to give them a good tip because I was like, wow, we had a great conversation, okay? Also, this goes the other way too. Like, let's say someone comes in, they're not very talkative, they have their AirPods in, anything like that. Like, it may seem like they just want to have a quiet ride, okay? That's when like you can try, like you can say, hi, how's your day going? If they give short answers and they don't really ask anything back, that's a pretty good indicator that they just want to get to where they need to go. They don't want to talk. So it's better if you don't try to talk to them because they may get annoyed. A lot of people don't seem to get this. So it may seem straightforward to some people, but you'd be surprised how many people have trouble like understanding whether or not their passenger wants to engage in conversation. Okay, this is secret number 5. Let's say you're out all day driving and you start to get really hungry, because obviously you'll get hungry, okay? Do not, guys, do not go get fast food. Don't sit through the drive-thru. Don't do any of that. First of all, fast food's terrible for you. Second of all, you're gonna actually be wasting a lot of time sitting through the drive-thru, because like it may seem like it's quick, but it's really not that quick. Especially if you live in a busy area or you're driving in a busy area, it's gonna be busy. Like there's, at least where I live, there's always super long lines in the drive-thru, and sometimes I'll be waiting there for like 30 minutes, so it's not worth it. Okay, let's say when you're starting to get hungry, I think a really good thing to do is use your like trip destination filters to go towards your house. Then you can just go home real quick, within 5 minutes, get some food, save money too by not spending your money eating out. You know, maybe you can do like meal prepping. That will save you a lot of time as well. Or just like have something ready to eat so you're not like spending a ton of time. Like if you're trying to optimize your time while driving, then you're not spending a ton of time eating, and it makes it a lot easier. So definitely recommend doing that, so you're not spending money eating out, you're not eating bad food, and you're saving time. Okay, this is secret number 6. Invest in water. It's a really good idea. Just have like a case of like 24 waters in your trunk. Like there are a lot of people who actually just really need water, especially if you're driving on weekends at night and you're driving during the times where people are getting picked up from the clubs or the bars. It is great to have water for your passengers. They will really appreciate it. You know, this can increase your tips, increase your ratings. Water is really cheap. Like sometimes you can get a case of 24 for like $5. And if you get thirsty, you can also just get a water bottle. Right, this is the last secret, you guys. Secret number 7. Okay, keep a handheld like mini vacuum inside of your car. Okay, you can keep it in a hidden place, keep it in your trunk. Like let's say someone comes in your car and they have food. Okay, maybe you don't allow food in your car, but sometimes they'll just bring it in anyways and they'll eat and leave a ton of crumbs in your car. It's kind of annoying to get crumbs out without a vacuum. Like trying to brush them out of the seats, it's a little bit difficult. And then also going to a gas station or a car wash to use the vacuum, first of all, you have to spend a little bit of money. Second of all, you have to spend time and gas driving there to use the vacuum. It's way easier to just have a vacuum ready to go in your car, so if any type of accident happens, you can clean it up before picking up your next passenger. Anyways, guys, once again, if you want to download Solo, link down below in the description and you can get $10. Also, if you want a free tablet from Play Octopus, we have a link in the description too to get that. Anyways, I hope you liked this video and I hope these secrets were helpful to you if you're a Uber driver or a Lyft driver. Anyways, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.